And now we can see that there is this valve's head bar is open, and then I can move my tool in that way that there is space. And in this direction I take these lock retainers. They are in this my tool's head in here, and these parts goes only in one way. Look, this is in that way, that this wider area is up and then smaller is down. And now I take, this is the way how this goes, and these are, remember that they goes one way in here. And now we can see what is the way, and I carefully, and now as we can see, this my lock pin moves in here, and now I have this plastic head tool, and using that tool I carefully move this locking pin in this hole, and now this my pin drops to ground. I have to collect it again. Now I change this my cylinder head in plain area, and now I try again to install this first lock retainer, and now I hope that now it goes nicely, good. And then I have this plastic tool and I can handle, and when I move this valve, now it is in just position, and then I have this second, this lock retainer, and now I drop that. It is in there, and then I have to, now it's wrong position, and carefully in that way, and now I move this my tool, and in that way I can get more space, and now it is there. Excellent. They are almost in right areas. Maybe I have to compress a little bit more, but this is great. Now those lock pins, they are just right. This is the most difficult task in this valve replace job, that we can get those lock retainers back. And now the final thing is that those lock retainers, they must go in this specific, there is my another valve, this line, this dent in here, and this is also difficult task, and that's I little bit compress more this my tool, that this spring goes deeper. Okay, and then carefully, I think that I have to, okay, now it pops little bit. Okay, and this is two up. Now it's fine, excellent. And now when we are in that position, now I can open this my screw, and carefully I release the spring, and then this lock retainer automatically locks this valve, and now I can take that away. Okay, excellent. Excellent. And now this job is almost ready. We can see that valve is in position, and then I need to, in final step, install this lifter in there, valve lifter back, and now this my job is in valve area, it is ready, and then of course I install camshaft back, and I might later I will do this valve clearance check, that there is right gap between this camshaft and then this lifter. But this is this video that how to replace this VVTi engine's valve. Good. And then, my friend, if you think that this was useful, thumb up and see you in next movie.